Hello guys, today I am going to speak about an all new cool and amazing bicycle by Hero. It is the Hero Electro Town Master. It is a very cool and amazing bicycle. It runs very smoothly on the roads and is also made for a bit of off-roading. You really look very cool while riding this. The frame of the bicycle is Alloy 6061 with the branding of Electro over here and Town Master over here. Now let's talk about the weight of the bicycle. It's only 25 kgs compared to other electric bicycles which are at least 30 to 35 kgs. You can easily lift it with your hands. Now when you're on the roads, you must also look for the safety. For that, the cycle is occupied with back disc brake, back reflector, front disc brake and a headlamp, which is a cool thing. As you can see, the seat of the Hero Electro is very good with the branding of Electro over here. And we come to suspension part of the bicycle. Here you can see it is not too hard. And the interesting thing about the suspension of the bicycle is that you can lock the suspension and unlock the suspension, which is a very impressive thing given by Hero over here. When you lock the suspension isn't working, and when you unlock it, it will work. When you lock the suspension, it is very useful while riding on the smooth roads, city roads, where you will be very smoothly moving. And if you want to do a bit of off-roading, you can unlock the suspension and here you go. Now let's talk about the gearing system of the bicycle. The bicycle comes with 7 gears provided by Shimano, which are basic in all the gear bicycles, and the control panel for the gearing system is given over here. When you push the button right side, the gear is decreased, and when you press this button, the gear is again increased, which is not very confusing. Now if you want to adjust your seat, it's pretty easy and also hard at the same time. The hard thing is that the lever given over here has to be pushed out, which is tight. And the easy part comes over here. You can move the seat up and down easily as you wish. And again the hard part comes pushing the lever back to its original position, which is pretty tight. And now let's talk about the wheels of the bicycle. The wheels of the bicycle are of pretty good quality, and also the rims of the bicycle are of alloy. And the tire size is also massive, 27.5 inch. And one more interesting thing about your wheel is that if you pull out this lever, you can easily remove your tire and you can carry it anywhere in your car. Now we are going to talk about the most interesting part of the bicycle. Of course you all know that the bicycle comes with an electric motor, which is powered by a battery given over here. The battery is inbuilt, unlike any other electric bicycles. The control panel for the electric motor is given over here. It has a simple on-off button, and these 4 lights indicate the battery: 25%, 50%, 75% and full 100%. This button is for the shifting of the modes from low to medium to high, and from high to again low. And the button given over here is simply pressed to on the headlamp, and the headlamp can be also on and off by rotating the dial given over here. And if you don't want to use it, then press the button over here. When the motor is on, and if the button is inside, and if you accelerate, the cycle won't move ahead. And if you press the button again and when it is outside, and when you accelerate, the cycle moves front. This part of the bicycle comes with matte black, and the frame of the bicycle comes with shiny blue. Now to charge the cycle, we have a charger given with the cycle itself. This plug should be plugged into the socket, and there is a pin at the other side which should be plugged in the cycle over here easily. And when the cycle is below 100%, the light indicating over here is red, and when the cycle is 100%, the light indicating over here is green. It has a 36 volt lithium ion battery and it has a capacity of 5.8 Ah. The cycle takes around 4 hours to be charged completely, and the range of the cycle is about 25 to 30 kilometers when we do not use the pedals. And if you also use the pedals along with the accelerator, the range may reach up to 35 to 40 kilometers, which is a good range. And the top speed of the cycle is 25 kilometers per hour, and if you also use the pedals with the acceleration, it may reach up to 40 to 45 kilometers per hour. Now let's talk about the pricing of the bicycle. The price of the bicycle is 32,000 rupees. According to me, the pricing of the bicycle is not too high and not too low. The cycle comes in two color variants, the blue one and the grey one. I would like to rate this cycle 9 out of 10. Comment down your views about the cycle in the comment section below. And please do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and meet you next time. Thank you.